Hello student. Today we'll discuss an example of PLA and brief description of PAL. See now the implementation or implement the following Boolean expression with the help of programmable logic array PLA. Programmable logic array. So x equal to a into b plus a c dash, y equal to a b dash plus bc plus a c dash. Okay. So if you observe the terms, okay, so total required logic gate for generating the above two equation is AND gate 4 or gate 2. Okay, so why they are saying the 4? Because this a c dash is repeat in the both equations, so we can consider the 1, and here 1 2 3 terms. So AND gate 4 and OR gate 2 equation, a plus symbol. Okay, so here is the OR gate plus means they are requirement the addition. Okay, so in the for the two equation we require the OR gate 2. See the logic diagram in the AND gate and array we can call that. Okay, and array, see a, this is a bar, b, this is b bar, this is c, this is c bar. Okay, these are the inputs a b c. Then what we have to do, we can mark the as per the ab plus ac dash. See now ab, this a b, second is a c dash, right, a c dash, third one a b dash, and bc, a b dash, right, b dash means b bar, and b and c dash, b and b and c, b and c, right. So b and c, sorry, here is b and c dash, here is b and c dash, here is b and c dash. Okay, see now then what happen in the this AND gate means here output is what, a into b, here is output is what, a into c dash, here is a into b dash, here is b into c dash. Okay, so these are the we are written here outputs of the AND gate. Now for the x output, x equal to programmable logic function x equal to ab plus ac dash. Okay, so see like this one, the one line you can means these are nothing but input and OR gate you can draw. Then ab means here, so you can cross here, and second is ac dash, ac dash like this one. In the second y equation, a c dash, a b dash, and b c dash, so we can mark like this one the cross. Then you can see x, y. Okay, so according to that this equation x and y, there is plus, this is the two terms, these are in the three terms, like this one you can make. So see, count is 1 2 3 4 AND gate. Okay, so that's why it is required 4 and 1 2 OR gate were called as. For the two equation we require the 2 OR gate. One important thing is what, in the P we can discussing about the PLA. In the PLA we are marking as a here is fuse, here is fuse, this is cross is nothing but here is the fuse in PLA, right. Here is nothing but your fuse, here is also fuse, means and or both are programmable in PLA, both are programmable in PLA. Okay, so most important thing we need to recall, in PLA both and OR array are programmable. Okay, in PROM AND array is fixed and OR array is programmable, AND array is fixed and OR array is programmable. In PAL OR array is fixed and AND array is programmable, like this one. Okay, so moving to the next one, programmable array logic. So PAL is one type of PLD, okay, which is known as programmable logic device circuit, and working with this PAL is the name of working of this PAL is same as PLA. The designing of the programmable array logic can be done with fixed OR gate and programmable AND gates. By using this, we can implement two easy functions wherever the associate AND gate with each OR gate denote the highest number of product conditions that can be produced in the SOP form of an function. I repeat again. So, PAL stands for Programmable Array Logic. So PAL is one of the type of PLD which is known as Programmable Logic Device Circuit, and working of this PAL is same as the PLA. The designing of the programmable array logic can be done with fixed OR gate and programmable AND gate. By using this, we can implement two easy functions wherever associate AND gate with each OR gate denote the highest number of product condition that can be produced in the SOP form of an function. Okay, so again it will be clear. We'll take example and we'll understand better. See in the PL, what is the arrow, where the dot? Okay, what we are saying, or fixed OR gate. And so fixed OR gate here is make as a dot. Dot indicates a fixed connection. It is non-programmable. And here we are marking the cross. It is programmable. Okay, so input 5 inputs are defined, right? And respect to here the OR gate we are drawn. Okay, so PL structure, input buffers, representation a connection. This indicate represent a connection. OR matrix with 4 fixed OR gate, and AND matrix with 8 programmable AND gate. Okay, so we'll take example and it will be clear. See now, in the example, implement the Boolean expression, implement the Boolean expression with the help of programmable array logic. X equal to AB plus AC dash, Y equal to AB dash plus BC. So the product term present in the Boolean expression are X and Y, and one product term, that is A C dash, is common in every equation. So the total required logic gates for generating the above two equation of 4 AND gate or programmable gate is this 2. Okay, 2 programmable OR gate and 4. See again, 1 2 3 4 terms are given. All 4 are different, so that's why it required the 4, and for the 2 function we require the 2 AND gate. Now we can see the diagram, logic diagram implementation. If you look like the diagram, it looks the same like your previous program, previous implementation logic. So here in input AB, A, B dash, B, B dash, C, C dash, like this was the line you can mark, right? Then one for the input of AND gate, like this one line you can draw. Then we can check what is the X equal to, first AB, this 4 you can mark, AB AC dash, right? AB AC dash. See now, AB AB A C dash, right? In the next one is what, A B dash B C dash, right? A B dash B C dash, like this one the line. Okay, then mark a cross connection like this one. It indicates this is programmable. What we are saying in the PL, AND is programmable and OR is fixed. See what we are saying. We'll check again. OR is fixed and programmable is the AND, right? So here input an array and OR gate. Afterwards we can extend this line AB AC dash AB dash BC, like this one you can mark. Then we have to check in the X is equal to what, AB plus AC dash, right? These two terms, so AB plus AC dash. So respective of this we can mark a dot. It indicate it is a fixed connection, it having the fixed connection AB as well as the AC dash. In the next term, you can check y. Y is equal to what? A B dash and B C. A B dash B C dash. Like this one can make the connection. Okay, so it is nothing but representation of your PAL logic diagram. Understood? Here is the programmable and it is fixed. In previous one, both are programmable. Okay, thank you.